Hey, and welcome to another video with Microsoft Plus. Today we'll be talking about a slightly more obscure version of Plus. It's Plus for Kids. It's released in 1997 for Windows 95, although it works on any version of 9X. And it's a kind of an interesting version of Plus, so let's take a look at it. So obviously the first thing we have to do is install it. Once it's installed, we can see what all the new things it installed. My favorite of which is obviously the new desktop themes and screensavers. My favorite new theme is probably got to be the messy bedroom theme, since it's very relatable, and this bedroom and the wallpaper just looks a lot like my room actually. Some of the other themes include bugs, horses, Reman, snowboarding, and treehouse. Now let's look at some of the programs that came with Plus for Kids. The first one is called Paint It, and it's very much like MS Paint, but it plays all these crazy sound effects, and it has a few cool features, like there's this mixer tool and like a bomb tool which clears the screen. So it's just kind of like a kidified version of MS Paint with a few extra little fun additions. It kind of reminds me of KidPix. The next program on our list is a program called Picture Picker. It just allows you to scroll through a bunch of different pictures and clip art that it has, and copy it to your clipboard. They can paste it into something like Paint It or Word.
Now we can take this Ferrari and paste it right into Windows Right.
Up next is Play It, which has like a MIDI keyboard, but I couldn't get it to work. I just couldn't get any kind of MIDI anything to work with the virtual machine I was using to record this, so sorry I can't really demonstrate this much. Next up on our list is a program called Protect It, and it's basically an early parental controls program that allows us to restrict what other users on the computer can do. So I can do stuff like say if they're allowed to use the modem, and say if they're allowed to change system settings. So I've gone ahead and created a kid's account on this system, and I can also, block certain programs for certain users. And let's say we want to block AOL, phone dialer, and Outlook. So I've logged off, and let's log into the kids account. And let's try to open one of the programs we blocked, like Outlook. As you can see, if we try to click on it, it just throws up an error saying that it's blocked. And the programs that we blocked that didn't have shortcuts don't appear in the start menu. Protect It also has the ability to filter websites based on the RSAC rating system. You can set what kind of content you want to allow and what you want to block. I can't really show this off because it doesn't really work with the modern internet, but it was a little ahead of its time, and Windows now comes with this kind of stuff included. And finally, last but not least, there's Say It, which is like a speech synthesis program. It's actually pretty good, and there's lots of voices and stuff you can choose, and lots of different things you can change about the voice. It's actually pretty cool to mess around with.
Talk it. 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 Talk
Socket.
Socket.
And so, yeah, that's just about it for Microsoft Plus for Kids. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.